How to delete all alarms on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can delete all alarms on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to delete all the alarms on your iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the clock application on your iPhone, and here you can see different alarms that you might have added. Now one thing is that if you only want to turn off these alarms, you can simply turn off the green dots or the green toggle right next to it if you want to turn off those toggles over here. But then if you want to go ahead and then basically delete everything, what you can try to do is to long press on that particular alarm here, and then you'll find the option called delete alarm. You can tap on it to delete the alarm, select that alarm again, tap on delete alarm, and those alarms will get successfully deleted. This way you will be able to go ahead and then delete all alarms on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.